Yeah. Sometimes life gotta shake people up before they finally see who they are. Freedom pause. People smiling but they barely hold on. Carry the whole world while they stay strong. Late night thoughts when the house gets still, trying to heal from pain and never reveal. Some people laugh just to hide what they feel. Go to sleep tired, wake up the same deal. Days move fast but the hurt stays slow. Still somehow people keep moving though. So when the rain starts pouring down and the whole world feels cold right now, don't let the darkness steal your flame. Storms don't leave people the same. Let the thunder roll, let the cold wind blow. Every hard road got something to show. Sunshine feels better after the rain. Strength feels deeper after the pain. Sometimes the fall helps people grow. That's why the storm gotta come sometimes. Gotta come sometimes. People stare at the ceiling all night. Too many thoughts, they don't know how to fight. A phone full of numbers, but nobody call. Crowded room, still feeling alone through it all. Some carry anger, they never let out. Some stay quiet and live with the doubt, trying to look fine so nobody sees how close they are to dropping to their knees. But people keep going somehow every day, to carry in. Remember, pain don't last forever. Hard times can shape people better. Let the thunder roll, oh, let the cold wind blow. Every hard road got something to show. Sunshine feels better after the rain. Strength feels deeper after the pain. Sometimes the fall comfortable. Some lessons only come through struggle. Even the darkest night eventually